Hi friends, how are you? I'm Leon from LeonsBD, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add fingerprint in your Samsung Galaxy. So definitely fingerprint option should be available in your phone. Okay, so let's get started. For adding fingerprint, swipe down, tap on settings. From here scroll down, biometrics and security. From here fingerprint scanner, so tap on here. Draw the current pattern. I am giving my pattern. Okay, then scan your fingerprint. Place a finger on the fingerprint sensor, lift it off, then repeat. Move your finger up or down slightly between attempts. Okay, so how you should place your finger, the screen is already showing. Okay, so first I am keeping my thumb of right hand. Okay, 4% done, 9%, 14%, 20%, 24, 29, 34, 40, 44, 49, 60, 69, 74, 80. Okay, rotate your hand as shown, then place the same finger on the fingerprint sensor again. Okay, so see how you should place your finger, the screen is already showing. Continue. I am doing it the same way. Okay, fingerprint added. Add another fingerprint. Okay, add. Then I will now at this moment I will add the thumb of my left hand. Okay, at the same way. 9%, 18%, 20%, 24, 29, 34, 40, 44, 49, 54, 60, 64, 69, 74, 80. Rotate your hand as shown, then place the same finger on the fingerprint sensor again. Continue. So I'll be doing at the same way. 85, 90, 95, 100. Add another finger. No, I don't want to add another finger. From here just tap on done. Okay, turn on fingerprint unlock, turn on. Here actually two fingers are safe, fingerprint 1 and fingerprint 2. If you want to add another fingerprint, from here just add on fingerprint. So at the same way you can add your fingerprint. Okay, I'm not adding another fingerprint. Okay, so yeah, that's it. In this way you can add your fingerprint in your phone, and definitely if you add it, your phone will be more secured. Okay, hopefully you like this video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.